My name is Philip Dominici, and this is my 15112 Spring 2014 term project. I call my program Pitch Perfect because it is a audio recording and comparison software. So let's open it up. Read the instructions. Great. So the main function of my program is to select a WAV file from basically anywhere on your computer, and basically you can sing along to it. The accepted formats for WAV files are mono, not stereo, and at 44,100 hertz per second, or frames per second, sorry. So for the sake of time, I'll just pick this one octave sample, and we'll start recording. Now, since that was playing directly through my speakers into my microphone, that gave a fairly high % accuracy. Probably not 100% because of fluctuations in the air, etc., etc. Just to prove that this actually does work, I will mute my computer and play it again. Great. That worked as expected, since there was no actual basically singing into the microphone. That gave a very low percentage. And the reason it was not 0% is likely because there was a moment of silence during the actual recording. Great. Turn sound back on. So other features of this program are the C music button, which lets you see a wave frequency chart of whatever the last WAV file you input was. Since that last file was a scale, you can see it increasing and then decreasing with the notes, so up the scale, down the scale. Another feature, and one of my favorites, is the tune button, and this basically lets you pick any note on the Western music scale from C down to B, and why don't we check E, and then an octave 1 through 6. So we'll go with the third octave. This should give us a fairly low sounding note, and I'm going to mute it again to show that this will not actually give us a high score. So 0% accuracy, makes sense. And then let's try this tuning to a G. And we'll put in the fifth octave. %, accuracy, great. And then to prove that it actually, that human voice actually does work on this, I'll tune it a G in the fifth octave to my own voice. Okay. Woo. So as you can see, this works with human voice. Another feature very similar is a tune octave. Basically works the same way. Pick any note and it will play an octave of your choice. And because it was playing right through the mic, right through the speakers, it will of course give us high accuracy. And then the last feature of worth noting is the Get Lyrics feature, which allows you to basically select lyrics from any song you want. And it does this through linking to the internet. So let's pick a WAV file I passed over earlier, Girl from Ipanema, and Get Lyrics. And as you can see, it just sends you to a third-party site where you can find most song lyrics. So yeah, that's basically the main part of my project. I hope you enjoyed it.